Well, welcome back. Okay, but up next we have another Korean product that I've never seen. This is gonna be by Frankly. It is gonna be the PDR and Bounce Boss Serum. Okay, I've never seen this brand, I've never tried this brand, so we're gonna try it together. I did take a sneak peek though because I was kind of interested to see what it looked like, because it kind of looks like Bill Nye the Science Guy. Comment down below if y'all know who I'm talking about, but yeah, let me just sit and show you what I'm talking about. I've never seen a product that has like a ball in it. What the fuck? You have to shake it up on the inside. Are gonna break up. Then you're able to use, it has salmon egg extract. So this is gonna give you hydrating essentials. Okay, so this is gonna be a hydrating product, so that's good because ladies, summertime, and ladies or men, whoever's watching out there, this is gonna be a hydrating essentials, so that's gonna be good for right now, the summertime, for all my dry skin girlies out there. Okay, Bounce Ball enhances the skin's firmness and gives radiance to the skin. So let me just stop and let's try this. Let's see if this one works. So we're gonna just shake it, shake it, shake it. I think I shook it too hard. So let's just see. Okay. Okay, so it has a seal, that's good. We love that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine.
Oh,
You just
my
can't
lips.
get into it because they would never understand.
Oh. It has no smell, but I do see where it talks about the radiant. My forehead's already shining. It smells like nothing. It did give me a little glow, so I think that one did say what it did. What it was gonna do is gonna give you the radiance. I don't feel like crazy firmness, but then again, who does? But yeah, guys, thank you for, this is gonna be a short little video. Just, I needed to try these Korean products out for you guys. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one, okay?